Hi friends, Auntie Cuckoo. Come on over and see how I decorated this year for Valentine's Day.
So we'll start outside. This year I cut up a banner I bought last year to use on my wreath and just put out a few little touches. So this banner I did pick up last year at Big Lots, and this year I just decided to cut it up and put it on my wreath outside. I hung my Dollar Tree sign and put out my garden flag. Now this envelope hangs here all the time. I just made that little lace banner and put some flowers in it. So this is a throw I bring out during Christmas, and I love keeping it out through February. Now over here I just added a few touches. I really kind of changed things up this year. The wreath that I made for this area last year ended up getting destroyed, so I had to come up with something different. Now I added my little Walmart truck over here and a sign I got last year at the 99-cent store. I'm reusing all my little wooden houses from Christmas and the XO sign that I made in the DIY. This is a heart last year from Target. And I just tried to add a bit of black and greenery to the area. The runner is a Target Bullseye's Playground find from I think 2 years ago. And I get asked about these black cages often. They are from Hobby Lobby. About 2 years ago I picked them up on clearance for $6 and $4, and I love them. They're meant to be shelves, and I just use them to add decor to. I just added those hearts to a banner from Target that I've had for a couple years. And then over here, I added a little hanging piece of decor, and I actually made that wreath last year using the Dollar Tree form. I like to switch out my pillows a lot, and last year I made this one in a little DIY video. So it's just some felt hearts that I hand stitched onto a pillow cover from Hobby Lobby. Over here I kind of did up a little romantic looking area. That is a crate that I got on clearance at Michael's and put the phone in actually to hide it. I stuck a vase in there and added the flowers and just a couple of wooden hearts to dress up the area. Those are all florals that I had on hand. And then I just put the string lights from Target around the bottom with an old runner. Now this is a bottle I picked up after Halloween at Hobby Lobby. I got it for about 50 cents. And I just put some candy in it from the Dollar Tree. This is a little wreath I've had for a while. My little Target lights, and that's actually a Target Bullseye's Playground runner from I think 2 years ago. Now over here on the mantle, I also used the banner from Target and added some hearts every other one. You'll see a few of the DIYs that I did for this year. Now this is a heart made out of buttons that I actually made last year. I did not do a video on it. And a sign I picked up from Walmart last year with the cute little houses and DIY wooden hearts. A heart from the Walmart collection last year, and this is a new find for 49 cents, and I picked it up at Burlington Coat Factory this year. You guys will recognize this love sign from the Dollar Tree that I used in a DIY. And the red books are just free from my local library. Now I'm reusing my beaded wooden garland from the 99-cent store that I got at Christmas. And I did add some fairy lights, so we'll have to come back through at night so I can show you what it looks like lit up. I keep out my red wreaths over my windows all the way through February, which gives me a lot more time to use them and enjoy them. Over here, I put out my new lanterns that I got on clearance from Target. And this is just something I've had for a few years. I think it came from Michael's. It was white and I spray painted it black and added some little felt hearts to the area and hung it with some burlap ribbon. Now the kitchen. So I only really decorate this area, which is my hutch in my kitchen. And I know a lot of you have spotted these little cupcakes behind me. There is a video that I posted last year of the DIY that I made them in, and you can check that out. I'll go ahead and post a link here for you if you are interested in seeing how I made all of these sweet treats, with the exception of the pink ones there on the tray. Those were actually Christmas ornaments. So up here I just have some candy hearts in a large apothecary jar. I put some of the red heart table scatter in one of my jars and some chocolate hearts in the other. I'll take one of these down and give you guys a little bit of a better look. The sprinkles are actually beads from the Dollar Tree. So this little chocolate cake is one of my absolute favorites from when I made all of the sweet treats. It's just a round cardboard box I covered with felt. And here's the little sign I made using the chalkboard from Target. I just made it into a little sweetheart cafe with lots of little goodies and prices on it. I get a lot of questions about these macaroons and the cake, and they're actually ornaments. These are from Walmart. I took off the hangers. They were 98 cents this year. And these are from Walmart a couple years back. I actually picked them up at a thrift store this year. Here's another one of the cupcakes in a little cloche. And these are the ornaments from Target that I picked up this year, the felt cocoa cups, and I just turned them around so you can't see the little snowflake on them. In the living room, the only real change in the evening is that I light a few candles, and I do have a few areas where I have used battery operated lights, so we get those turned on and it's nice and cozy for the evening. Here's two more of my candles all lit up. Over here, I have a couple things going on. I have a battery operated light up there in the top of that candle holder. And I have my Target string lights from last year in the Bullseye's Playground turned on. And I do light a candle over here on my cake pedestal. Now over here on our mantle, we do have our TV hung, so we don't use any candles or heat elements over here, but I do like to use some fairy lights and just intersperse them through what I have going on to light up the area, and I think it looks really cute in the evening. So that's it for this year's Valentine home decor tour. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing how I decorated this year. It's a little bit different from last year's tour, so I'll go ahead and link last year's tour for you if you're interested in seeing that. And I'll see you all very soon in the next video.